Alright, hey there. Today we're going to be having a quick look at the real Avid pistol tool, which I've been playing around with getting for the past 18 months or so. But I was watching my favourite Multitool channel and he did a review on some pliers multi-tool, so I thought, do you know what, for $36 I'm going to get it. Right, got to use a knife to open a knife. I'm sure we've all done that. Crikey. There we go. Very nice too. Lever lock. And one of the reasons why I like this is because everything's apparently is titanium coated, so that's nice. Right, you've seen it come straight out of the box. Let's see how sharp it is. Try and get in focus there. Yeah, not bad. A bit of thinner paper somewhere. Of course not. No. Well, I can see it slices off alright. Yeah, it feels pretty sharp. And this actually fits inside a mag pouch, which is handy for me. Just close this up. Bunch of different tools. Scraper, that locks as well. Bit driver, which is actually one of the main reasons why I got this. I just fancied having a small screwdriver with a few bits. There's two Phillips, two flatheads, a star and a hex. Obviously the star and the hex are quite specific, but I can see myself using the other screwdriver bits quite a lot. Punch, does that lock as well? Yeah, that locks in. Yeah, pretty pleased with that. Now I do actually have a 556 SE80 cleaning kit, which I've had since I was about 16 for my Army Cadet days. So I'll be interested to find out if that fits on there or not. Got some Allen keys. And of course your 1911 bushing wrenches for the government and commander models. Feels really lightweight. Yeah, and it's actually, even though it's squared off, it's actually kind of comfortable. Not sure how comfortable it would be after a lot of work, but for cutting paracord and just generally slicing stuff up, yeah, I think that's actually not bad at all. Well, for $36 I'm pretty pleased with that. I won't let this go on too long because there's not really much else to it. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.